Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use SoFi for home improvement loans. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, we have the Discover, the watch list, we have the account, invest, we have the orders, and in the bottom right corner, we have, as you can see, the socials. So now let's see how you can actually go and use SoFi for home improvement loans. So using SoFi for home improvement loans is straightforward and convenient. And here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So check your rate first, visit the SoFi website and get pre-qualified online. This process is quick and doesn't affect your credit score. Then select your loan, so choose the loan amount and terms that best suit your needs. SoFi offers loans ranging from $5,000 to $100,000. Then apply online, complete application process online. You'll need to provide some personal and financial information. Then once approved, sign the necessary documents. Funds can be wired to your account as soon as the same day. SoFi improvement loans are unsecured, meaning your house isn't used as the collateral. This makes the process faster and simpler compared to the other options like home equity loans. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.